J.H. Semp & Son was founded by my father. He immigrated from Holland to here back in 1960. And he came here without being able to speak a word of English and $50 in his pocket.
He would argue constantly with his bosses at his shop in the Netherlands that he wanted more, wanted his part of the American dream.
My dad, when he started the company, it was a big struggle back then. One thing he did know was he brought the quality of machining experience that he had from Europe.
The most important thing to him was the name. You know, he would tell my brother, "Now you have a good name." You know, so everything you do here, everything you make, put your name on it.
The DTM was designed for jewelers, hobbyists, do-it-yourselfers, fix-it-uppers, anyone who has a product in mind, anyone who can think of something. We have the machine if you can think of the product. A big focus of the DTM design is the rigidity of the machine. Rigidity is everything. If you can make something rigid, all your tooling, the way it cuts, the way it sounds, how deep you can cut, how fast you can cut, everything is based on the rigidity of the machine. So we put a lot of focus on making sure that this machine is rigid. The DTM 280, it has a suspended rail system up to 1,000 pounds. It's built rigid, it's built tough, so it is rigid enough to work with materials all the way from plastic, wood, and aluminum. You need your own laptop to use it. It's a simple USB port. You just pop it in the back of the machine. It all comes as one piece, as one unit. There's no assembly required. It's a really nice little machine. All right, now let's talk about the DTM 850. That machine was designed with much heavier loads in mind. It has an 11,000 pound rail system on there. It's not suspended, so it's much more rigid. It sounds better. You can take deeper cuts with it. 3-to-1 gear reduction for heavier cuts, greater torque at lower speeds. The footprint's bigger, so you can run bigger parts on there, more quantities on there. It repeats within 3/10 from one run to the next. It resembles more of the bigger machines that we're used to seeing out in a real machine shop. The commitment we want to make to the DTM customer is that we want to support them in every way possible. We're here all the time. We've been here since 1977. We're not going anywhere.
We won't let you down, and neither will the machine.